Keypad deadbolt installation instructions. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to install your deadbolts. Step 1. Prep the door. Please see door prep instructions for more information. Step 2. Install the latch. Be sure the crosshairs are on the bottom side. With the latch in place, use a Phillips head screwdriver with the supplied wood screws to fasten it to the edge of the door. Step 3. Remove the inside chassis from the interior plate by removing the screws holding the plate to the chassis. Step 4. Install the exterior trim assembly. Make sure to slide the wire harness over the latch. Step 5. Install the interior chassis assembly. First, make sure the latch is in the vertical position. With the top side up, feed the wire harness through the interior chassis assembly, like shown. Next, align and slide the assembly onto the latch. Using the supplied machine screws, fasten the chassis to the exterior. Before tightening down the screws, align the chassis so it sits square. Connect the wire harness and tuck the connectors. Now connect the 9-volt battery. The inside trim contains a programming code and user codes. Before installing, confirm that the thumb turn is in the vertical position. Now attach the interior trim using the supplied machine screws. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your Keypad deadbolt. Please watch our other videos for user and programming instructions.